Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this emoji video overlay in CapCut PC. So there was like a bug before, but now they fixed it. Now you can use emojis. It was like black and white back then, I don't know why. Select the keyboard or just copy and paste any emoji that you want to use here. Make sure you selected this part first, then you can start adding your emojis. Okay, sure. And then you're just going to copy and paste this a few times. And like place it to the left or like to the right. It's totally up to you like how you want to place these. I'm just going to place it randomly because I don't think I have like a lot of time to not do this randomly. Guess that's alright. Oops. I'm just going to select everything. I'm just going to put it like this. And I'm going to right click and I might adjust the font size a little bit. Oh, actually, might scale it down. Okay, maybe not. I'm just going to select create compound clip and I'm going to select animation. Go to combo and select like one of these animations. I don't know, it's totally up to you which one. I usually use the wave slide one or the slide wave one, and you'll have this emoji overlay that you can add on top of your videos like so. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!